Assalamu alaikum. Mbe mbadin Gambian kol kontonna. Uh, nkole nun ko kawrin 2016 how 2021 election o botala nun presidential election nko mbenda har Gambia politiko la. So menga ken ko mbenda hala the basis that through ngaje ko mampare ka karang mampare ka falin ni men fana mbeje mun fajjahole because let me be realistic. Nde, I will just be blunt. If you like it, fine. If you don't like it, fine. But ntel mu fanja it. Malafin fanna, malafin na bankola, malafin nyatu tawola. Bari aketa nyawonya, nina ta ngaji be cool be keta nyawonya ndo cool be lari nyame nkajela ko sometimes you have to speak up yalla for kudol be je ke dawa ko. Nkatar gambe politiko folo kan. Pour ngandale badi amoto bugala fi nimmo ya katcha because nka men fo mole ko election o men tambita 2021 Adam Barrow la man sakunda a gagné pour ila wino momoni ke la resino soto ina yake gagné ta katu Carly laftela NPP laftela le waram ima laf UDP le la wala yake ya fay wara ima laf Usen le la wala yake ya fay ya intendinten wara yan sunyale dol kalo men sunya role kete tendinte all those things argument you can agree and disagree is your life but ngam men ne ntel believe tamen na ko en kono mafo ko Adam Barrow la mulman sunya roke waran tilimbaliya mankeje waran kuwol mankeje men ya kendin ko you can disagree with but wo be keta nyaawo nya men sen yata 100% so wala mi to gambia dingolu wala la carte fay kay tandi ko ilaftale adama ya tuje so niyoje ndeaje ko you have to respect that one it's their decision it's their choice it really a decide when you lafta kila wana so you have to respect that so and then bari lafta na diamu kuma sela wato imen na ten wala ko ira itata kayito min safe ka ntata fala constitution itata kayito lel safe kana kadi mogol la ka fo gambia nuli en ko wara ka nyita maybe nga mire a fula le soto jensi men fono number one is that international pressure min be kam pour ka fe constitution ni muruni nare so ibajala ko nyin tata nga itandi molla ko constitution min be jem malaf wala wara malaf constitution ni ngana so pressure be haylal hansa bar say ya men je wala mi ndiko mbatu nga fo ko mbanati la bari mbanati la nga kuke be bala nala men pour itelefante sonna wala because mbe men ke la je ita sonna wala because ni sonda wala do mbalo nala ko ila fanjaw ya lata la ke man la fi fanna ila fan kon lata wala la ke fan konne ila hasidiya ifanye lata wala la ke fan hasidiya le bari ngaje ko nyingo di la re fan konya o ni re fan jaw ya nyawo ni te sonna wala so ni man so wala son sa mo le ko aliya de gambia dingol yi lafta ñin ne le man lafi constitution ko tola wala yak nga yinkete that is some of the belief and then it is understand it's agree no wala baake ka ko it is a game they don't want a new constitution they don't want to give gambian the choice to make a constitution if they say that this new constitution because it has been rejected once you cannot bring it in originality like the how it was rejected you have to change something you can change 2 3 paragraph that's all you change something because the constitution mafoko inyanta falina le inyanta falina nyaadi le amofo so inyanta men falina inyanta do bola je ya do keje be men falina je you can change just one part one paragraph one section fine yeah the rest yeah be not what you moke they deleted about many part of the constitution like the things that have sold yeah I can interlako Gambia dingol la ñaaton kolu ñanta tamala ñamen ñantan na mansakunda tamala ñamen na waran banko ñanta yiri wala ñamen na waran momon di manyan kela don ka fo ko ñin keta politicien ot lembe fo wara ya bolan na family kono ngake wuliya folati ngake faniya folati ngake tappaleti ngake hasidoti ngake mojawot wot mo lembe puf falin nati lan na banko kam waran be ndebe fen soto la ka kem fanti so because ni yolu ke ibajele fanyela ko idea ñin sa inten ite lafta wala mentel la kay tandi molla ko they have to do that one ka kaytolu safe ka feni dundu wo kayto kono ka fo kon ka setetle mbanat la national assembly so ni wol son tala so ngasamba banko dingle they personally I might not be able to vote for the constitution for this new referendum if it passed the national assembly but that is very low chances are like 40% chances that at a time. Let me say 60% chances that Iba reject the National Assembly, at a pass the National Assembly. But I don't trust those people too because they are all sheep in wolf clothing. 90% of them are all sheep in wolf clothing. So you shouldn't trust them too because they are benefiting the system. So there's no other option for them. Now, after that one, so nata na ngaje ko ila idea jini yo mene dundi molu kono ya fero nyimme la Gambia dingol yen kayin loi kuto na ka ho Gambia dingol ye ko aliyo vote follow man kuma moy ibe fan defend kanya because ngalon na tari yoke CRC kabru wole ila drafo dada e pareta they come back to the people they call the journalists they sit with the journalists and tell them the reason why they believe these are the real this the reason why they believe this is what they want this is what the Gambian people want they give us that reasons but those so-called these self-represented people because they are not representing us I believe that one they are not so they are representing themselves uh, they don't care what the people want. They only care how to make their family better. So they don't believe that everyone should have the equal right for the education, for the healthcare, for the benefits that they are having now. They don't believe that one. They don't want it that one because if that happened, what that will show us that it will create somehow equity, like equality. Like people will be the poor people will not be really dependent on them and they are generous. Like for me, for example, now if I call myself as someone who is poor, as someone who don't have nothing. So for example, now my generations will still be depending on the same thing of Adam Barrow's next children's of because there will be a lineage. They will have better education. They will have all those things. They will have all the chances. They will use our money the way they want. They will be in the higher ladder. No matter what I do, no matter how hard I work, no matter how hard I try to make my family work, they cannot get to them because they are using the public resources for themselves. While I am working for myself, struggling to get something for myself. And the same like Usain Udabo. So it will be difficult for us to be in their basis. So Senu Dabo or and the others, like any all of the politicians or the head of these governments, because many of them are. It is sad how I see them how they try to make this constitution impose it on the Gambian people so that they will have a free will to do what they want. For me, one part that doesn't bother me. If it is that the new term will be after 2026 election, Adam Barrow will start his new full term and then he will spend 10 years there. And then at the end of the day, he will have 20 years in power. I'm not bothered about that because you know why? If they change only that one, I'll be very happy. These are my reasons. If the constitution come as it is, if they bring that document draft as it is in 2024 and they just change that part, and then at the end of the day, the people voted for it, I'll be very happy. Because do you know why? Adam Barrow cannot stay in power for the next 5 years. For after that 2026 election, if he win, he cannot stay in power for another 5 years, for more than 5 years, with the rule, with the constitution, with the power that the constitution gave him, with the things that he gave. He cannot stay in power. He will go out himself. He knows that. So that's the issue. So all I can think of pro ntala faham roto ko niaje ay kaito safe ka kafi nyoma tendero ka fo mo wolen ko wala yaje ko gambe dingolo balannal because ni balanta dorong ba fala nga faal yele nke man la faal ni sonda ba fala wow sa en kay min dia tanyem bola kala so sembo bele be mbul say nte lafta men nam bola kala mkasi la ngamira nyaton ka joma men nga kennin ko akata mu nyaton kolti hakkilo ha fate fa akam hakkilo le ha fate fa ake miral de anda lafta la mo wala nyata tawol bara ka fe ko pour namol be ad londo sote be secondary education wake compulsory mo be secondary education o sota ko man nyankel bara te lafta dingula university education o sot a lafta dingula secondary education o sot but for ara dingula men ya ken ninko they don't have the power, they don't have the finances to send their children to the secondary education aka fo ka malle fi woyake kariya le men aka malle fi woyake because mo jama be je men secondary education o sota mfuta nyawo nya na kuol be kolear mbulla nyawo nya but at least ni ga sa fe nyen ka su tele waran kam mira non fanyan andu ni be secondary education o to ni 90% of the population has secondary education o sort in that country. The so-called elite katar mol control kan kamol filindi kamol hakilo filindi in the next 10 years 20 years it will be reduced from, if it is 75 now, it will be reduced to about 40%. Because people will know what they want. And nira le lafta menna, iba kanin na le laha ila nyantolu. Nidu nyela nyanto kanin, abe memburu nama dila ala yama lafa dile la wonya dore ka kanin ngabula. Niya kanin ngabula buka comfortable because nila fembe mo bula mansongi jogola. Eka kanin. Kilinga madila ya kanin fula madila. Ni tuta kanin ne katubula ngano maka kanin dorong. Abuka comfortable. So now I'm comfortable. The best option I can make wala nyinti ko. Anyanta ya men kaninga bula ya dila wara ye kumandale si ya kacha. So now si tal de kacha kan abatel men kumandale si ya kacha you have prepared it better reparing ne inata be men kacha. So it is, I don't know how shall I say it because niko ko feba flalo ni ku ala warta fa bala fa ala warta ba malo fe fulo be lamba. Bar man la sen fi sera fen. But this one it is difficult male be men fere la kan ka fo mole en ko pura pass. So bara tambo is about ala chances that are pour ka fa pass is about 40 to about 20 to 40% chances. Inte la mira to follow because nta ka mira un kungole enten follow. So na mira inte la cerno na mira damma un fanyente so low. The chances are very low that it will pass. So now man pass doom. So you will still remain with the 1997 and they are comfortable with that one because that one don't give them any power. That one don't give them any check and balances. So they will just do what they want. But the worst part that you just pretend that you are bringing something, but you are bringing the worst part than the first one. It means that mbahantal mira kam fam pour kayir nyato kata nyato banko dolbe dame na kata nyato. Because if those things changes, the influence of the so-called rich people, the these big companies many akenin ko be na mol la banko kan kafe ya mol la fer control wara ya mol influence wara ya na ya masakunda al presso ka kolke so ni luwal bige many akenin ko it will restrict them ke stop pour kube kube ta kenola so abe kolayala. But it is sad that they just try to how should I say it, to destroy everything in that country. In the video jam for the money, but maybe I will come back again to start talking about some of the parts that I have shown, some of the things that I'll be reading, and then it is difficult. But na fanjaw ya sembo warta back. But still now, men faranga jakale ngamul joko. Ikem gambia dingol. Ilaftale ngakanya. Ilaftale banko ayirua. But kana ka famole ko there is no constitution that is perfect. Who cares about the perfection? Who cares about the perfection? No one is perfect. No one is looking for a perfect constitution. Who is looking for a perfect constitution? Yeah, they have tried this ABCD, but there's no perfect no one is talking about momentary miracle of constitution ni nyanta kelale ko 100% fente je memman bete am wala fabe o fammi keno because manke mo kilin intela mira ni dola mira mankilia do fanna mira ni do fanna mira mankilia bari be kam benta nyin la ko pour na banko ayirwa na banko ka samba nyato ntel ka kan soto pour ndingol waram mamarin waram fangol si murno banko kan ayirwa kenu nganna divalu nga kan soto no banko kan wala nyinti ko momenu nata kebe tarra palaso ton tel toyala wo mogol nyanta kela mowoleti men ya kennin ko folo ibe tonya ta mandila fulanjang ite faniya fola mogol ye sabanjang ite dunna kuto membe mogol filindla naninjang ite kunkilinna kolu mira katambi jamala nafa. But none of them is talking about those things. One thing I'm happy for that is this 2024 election, 2021 election, or on 2016 election, let me start there. I'll quickly na di Gambia dingol la say. Lafta men na fombo soto la molong. Bora moto tunna la fendi la mogol la ka fendi na men siata kununta fanansit. Me kununta fi siata mentit. So no, that's my belief. So, bato nga ko kuntu jandorong. So na ketanya maybe. Mba the information was ala correct from time to time ka jibe jani National Assembly famba kati al fombe na referendum ko kon fo ko le kala ko malo ala barka bak albadi malam Gambia dingol ni medde mbela Gambia dingol Cerno Darabe ala barka bake.